What message would you send to the audience of this lecture series titled Dr. De Bono and His World?
Yes, basically what I'm saying is that for the first time in 2,400 years, someone is paying direct attention to the software for human thinking. While there are thousands of people writing software for computers, I'm paying attention to software for human thinking, and unlike traditional logicians and philosophers who are playing with words, my ideas are based on an understanding of how the neural networks in the brain work. That's the key difference. So for the first time in human history, we can look at creativity as the logical process in a patterning system.
What is your perception about the state of creativity level of mankind today?
Well, I think we have done very, very little about creativity. I think since what I call the Greek Gang of Three, Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, 2,400 years ago, we've done virtually nothing about software for human thinking. And we have relied on creativity. Yes, there are creative individuals and nothing we can do about it, which is not true. That we can teach creative processes deliberately, formally, and I believe all governments should have a minister of thinking. And I believe that the biggest problem facing the world today is not climate change, but inadequacy of our thinking. It doesn't mean what we do is wrong. It means it's excellent, but not enough. And so creativity needs much more attention.
What is the importance of deliberate creative thinking methods generally? And what is the importance of them, especially in this period of time when our world is in a real trouble?
Well, clearly there's a need for creativity in order to solve problems, to get out of difficulties. But that is not the only need for creativity. Sometimes we need creativity to look at things which are not problems at all, but which can be done in a much better way through using creativity. Even things like democracy can be greatly improved. Even things like the justice system can be greatly improved through using creativity. So while there is a big need for creativity when you're in difficulty, I wouldn't like people to believe that creativity is only for problem solving. It is not. It's for making things which we regard as good, making them much better.
Can creativity help something on our state nowadays?
Yes, that in the present economic crisis there are some ideas I put forward on my website, debonopost.com, and about functional internal currencies and to give countries much more control over the local economy, which at the moment is difficult. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Dr. De Bono.
Thank you.
Indeed.
Thank you.